Did you know a company once fooled the entire world with money that never existed? Wirecard didn't just collapse. 2 billion euros simply vanished. Not stolen, not hidden, completely fake. So how does a public company trick everyone for years? The CEO believed his own lies. Marcus Braun kept promising impossible growth, kept selling the dream, even when the math made no sense. And when reality started closing in, he didn't come clean. He went deeper. Fake bank accounts, fake customer transactions, fake confirmation letters, all to keep the story alive. For years, auditors believed it, investors bought it, regulators approved it, until one journalist dug too deep, and the entire empire crumbled overnight. This isn't just about fraud. This is what happens when leaders choose the comfortable lie over the painful truth. They don't set out to destroy everything. They just protect the story instead of facing reality. The scary part? How many companies are living this exact lie right now?